we look at the changes that are going on in the world, and we are the land use people. You see that yellow stuff? And we change things. We cut down trees. We build stuff, cities. And we look at where these things are going, and we realize we really have to tackle it from every level. So I decided we needed a new language of carbon because I was so sad about Bhutan. So here we go. So I decided negative is not carbon's fault. See, the value of a tool is placed there by the intention of the user. So a hammer is innocent. So if you give it to a child, it becomes a toy. If you give it to a carpenter, it becomes a building. If you give it to a maniac, it becomes a weapon. The hammer is innocent. It's just a hammer. Right? The value is given by the human using it. So I decided that carbon negative belongs to humans, not carbon. Okay? So carbon negative would be a behavior. Now, if we take carbon and we burn it to the atmosphere, we could call it fugitive carbon, which implies some desperation here, right? Fugitive carbon. And if we take plastics and they end up in the ocean, they become fugitive carbon. They escaped. Now, what we really want is durable carbon, a mountain sitting there quietly being calcium carbonate would be nice. And then we make stuff and we use it over and over again. And as long as we recycle the polymers, it's durable. The minute we let it go fugitive, waste energy plants in the oceans, not, see, fugitive. So this would be durable carbon. And then us over there, living carbon. Carbon from the atmosphere to soil accruing, like in Bhutan. Right? 3-to-1. So there's that. And then we can take carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and put it in durable forms. And that's sequestration and use of carbon over generations. So the idea is fugitive carbon. Okay, let's not do that. Toxin. And it's raising, or it's changing the acidity of the ocean. Then we have durable carbon in a circular economy, and then we have living carbon. We have another layer, which is working carbon, which would be the burning for fuel, for energy. We'd have working carbon in plastics. It's for human use. It's that usufruct. And then we have working carbon in living carbon. That's agriculture.